Oh, hey! Fuck it, no! Oh, shit. Guys, quiet! Listening! We're going to roll straight into a building pushback. Yellows, you're going to be defending the first building, which is fuel dump. On hit, fall back to the next building, kill house, then terminal, and we'll go back to station and bomb up, yeah? Oranges, you'll be starting here at 5-a-side. You're on hit, medic, hit, respawn, respawn at 5-a-side. Once you've taken fuel dump becomes your respawn and so on down the line. You've got 12 minutes on each building. If the building's not clear, we'll call index and move on to the next building. Everyone got that?
Okay.
Come on then, guys.
Yeah, we've got 12 minutes to get us out of the building.
Yay. Enjoy that.
Yep.
I'm roasting. Sorry, I've got to ask, your outfit, your costume.
Sorry?
What you're wearing?
Yep.
What is it?
It's a 1942 Red Army uniform.
That's cracking, that is. What's your name?
Faye.
Nice to meet you, Faye. Dan.
Nice to meet you too. I love your tech priest.
Thank you. You'll get a shout out on one of my videos for that. Whoa. That's cracking.
Yeah, I'm still waiting for the boots. They're shipping in from Ukraine. They'll be here in a couple of weeks.
Well, at least you'll get them though. Hopefully. Hello there.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've got
Mingling with potential subscribers.
I've got a PPSH 41.
Nice.
That's in the shop being repaired at the minute because it was misbehaving.
Oh.
So when that comes back, I have a full
That's cracking.
1942 Red Army uniform.
Nice.
Nice.
Fuck me, really.
I'm the kind of twat that brings the sock puppet to a battle.
Yeah, I built this during lockdown.
Oh, very nice.
The first one, of course. And, 28%. Yeah, he says. Oh shit! Ow! 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 Fucking hit! Oh! Oh! It's done me fucking leg and all. Oh!
Yeah.
Oh! Oh! Fucking Nora! Ah!
Medic!
Medic!
Hey!
Thank you.
Don't even know where the fuck it's up from.
What do we have to count to for a medic?
Say again.
What do we count to?
About 10.
Wait, medic! Hang on. Am I out?
Hey!
Painful. Camera! Aye?
Finally focus. We tried to get one of you when you was right next to the smoke. Did not focus one bit until you was basically in front of me.
Yeah.
Sounds about right.
Same shit, different day, innit? Oh, someone's deployed the howitzer.
Anyone got on? I can revive him, that's a good idea.
This one?
coming inside. I'm gonna move in.
Right behind you.
Right, I've got this. You go first. Sorry. In the door frame.
Gotcha.
Doorway, west side. West side of the doorway. Hit. Yo, stop right, guys. We put that. Hammers. Come here. Come me down that way. Hammers there. Do it. You got eyes? Yeah, someone keep eyes on the corner. 3, 2. Right, they're coming here. That's him. I can't. They're in there. Josh, lower your profile. Yeah, keep that. What's that? Careful, left side, close doorway. Close? Yeah. Oh, hit!
Looks right.
Fucking side of the team. Josh, do not put your
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Santa save me. Is it Santa?
Fuck knows, I don't know.
Watch out. Pistol. Mate, these fucking lines are pissing me off, mate.
Oh, hit! Fucking no! Oh, shit!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, fuck! Shit!
Put in there, yeah?
Good job, man, fucking booper!
Ball call.
Do you stop fucking moving? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Fucking hell! There's one in there. There's potentially one in there. Cool. Morning! That's just knocked out my alignment. Oh.
Oh, fuck me!
That was full auto.
Shit, where did that come from?
One,
Four corner,
two.
4 left.
Oh, no, I didn't get hit. I don't think I did anyway.
Fair enough.
It felt like it hit there. I didn't feel anything on my helmet. I think it might be the brick building, you know the brick.
Fucking too right. Hit. No fucking way.
Not stick your head above that, you'll get something your face. Keep an eye out.
Gotcha.
You see the enemy or?
Way. Out, mag change.
Ceasefire! Stay where you are!
Ceasefire! Stop fucking shooting! Thank you.
Oh, why did it have to be my son's voice?
Here's a Sparky, you can get a new one.
Game on! We got any in here? Come on, mate.
shit! Oh! Ow! Fucking hell! Ready?
Nice one, mate.
Ready?
Right, bud. Right. Nice fucking play.
Oh.
Medals. We med this game? Yeah.
I'll do so anyway.
Someone run med me. Come on, got people at door, med me, come on. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 11.
Cheers.
5, 3, 2, 1.
Hello, housekeeping! Jesus fucking Christ, what is he running?
Oranges! Orange!
The building's ours!
Who was shooting me? I think we're clear.